Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
As someone with a compact kitchen, I struggled to keep it organized. Then I found this dish drying rack, making life so much easier. It's rust-proof, holds all my dishes, and ensures water drains efficiently without mess. Installation was a breeze. If you want a tidy kitchen without the clutter and chaos, get yours now and simplify your routine.
Product 2.
Finding the perfect juicer is like discovering a hidden gem. I was over manual squeezing's grind until the Elite Gourmet Citrus Juicer hit my counter. It churns out fresh juice effortlessly. No additives, pure health in seconds. Ideal for my cramped dorm and eco-friendly too. Sip on authenticity, grab yours today and taste the freshness.
Product 3.
Struggling with chaotic bathroom mess? I was until I found the Viken stainless steel shower caddy. Installing it was a breeze, no drilling, just a simple stick-on adhesive. Now every shampoo and soap has its place, transforming my small bathroom into an organized haven. Its rust-proof finish withstands my steamy showers without a hitch. Elevate your space today with this reliable solution.
Product 4.
Struggling with stubborn ingredients? As a busy mom and smoothie fanatic, the Ninja BR201 AMZ blender effortlessly crushes ice to silky smooth texture with its 1200-watt motor. Plus, its easy clean, dishwasher-safe design means more time enjoying, less time scrubbing. Get yours now and redefine your smoothie game.
Product 5.
Say goodbye to kitchen chaos with the Ninja Crispy Portable Glass Air Fryer System. Imagine the convenience. Preparing single-serve meals in just 7 minutes or a full family-sized dinner effortlessly. Going viral for a reason, its compact design doesn't compromise power. As you juggle a busy lifestyle, Ninja Crispy delivers. From frozen to crispy, stress-free.
Product 6.
Sick of clutter and chaos in your kitchen? Meet the Kitchen in the Box Mini Food Processor. A compact powerhouse with a 400W motor and Precision S blades ready to tackle everything from vegetables to hearty meats. With 2 speeds, you can seamlessly switch to the level of chopping power you need. Easy assembly, quick cleanup, and satisfaction guaranteed with a 1-year warranty. Ready to revolutionize your meal prep? Click now to make it yours and simplify your kitchen experience.